Welcome everyone. We got a box to open from old Johnny Arnette. 36-pound box. Let's just dig into it. Huh? What do you say? It says right there, it says this side up. It says note inside under the lid. TazMan. Old Johnny. Okay, here we go. Let's read the note right off the bat. Oh, it's all taped. Uh-oh. You might be missing some words by the time I get in it. Okay, here we go. It looks like one of those little things we made when we were kids. Let's see. It says, Kenny. Hello, my friend. Well, I guess it was my turn. I know you and I have a lot of the same passions in life. And we both appreciate the well-built old school stuff. Enclosed in the long box is one. That's in a box that's still on its way. So gracious to send off to read this part later. Inside is the custom knife for the Tazapalooza fundraiser. There is one thing in this box that I know you and I have been looking for all our lives. I have mine. Yours is in the box. Brother, thank you for being a person that I and others can lean on and follow. Buddy, I love you. John, the Burly Man Arnette. I'll have to read the other part when the other package gets here, because I can't wait. I can't wait for the other box to get here. I'm not much good at waiting, so we're getting in it. This stuff's got to go away. Oh, buddy. Look, he's got it all packed up. It's all packed with fireballs. Look, fireball candy. there's hundreds of them in here. What do we got here, Johnny? What is this? Norwood Sawmills. Wow, that's a nice hat, buddy. Norwood Sawmills. Well, we better just put that on right now. Hey? Yeah! What is this? Johnny, there's way more in this box than we discussed, my friend. Oh man, look at that thing. That is a neat little jersey. Oh, that's going to make a dandy splitter. Look at that. Nice edge, Johnny. Oh yeah, buddy. Nice eye. Thanks, brother. Wow, another one. Another jersey. I love jerseys. Oh yeah, buddy. The rubber for my vices. Oh, you put more than that in there. That's got to go away. Oh yeah, wood handles for making wood file handles. Chopsticks. Oh, look at these cute little things. Oh, Johnny, you didn't have to send these, buddy. Look at that, little wood vices. Wood clamps. Oh, those are dandy, buddy. Those are perfect size for me around here. Clamping small things to the bench. What's this? Oh, there's that stone. Pre-oiled and precision surfaced. Norton. Combination bench stone. Wow, that'll be super handy, buddy. Wedges. Look at these wedges. Look at this. Look at this wood. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Can you see the color on that? Oh yeah. That is super neat. This is gonna take a while. Look at all these wedges. Rapid tap cutting fluid. Because I just use old motor oil. What is this? A center punch? Oh man, look at that. That's cool, Johnny. Little center punch. What's this? Tactical light. Glow sticks. Okay. Oh, that wood is just awesome, Johnny. Those red wedges are so cool. Nice block of wood. What's this? A little file? A little flat file? Nice flat file. Oh, another roll of tape, buddy. Yeah, my favorite tape. You got me just in time, Johnny. I was about to run out. Cobalt die grinder. Johnny Arnette. Goodness sakes. What's this? Johnny, this is too much, brother. Oh, look at that. Little Torx bit set. Wow, buddy. Those will be super handy. This is all handy stuff. You should see in this box all these fireballs. Oh, more massive amounts of bits. All different shapes. Bit set. We'll have to get that straightened out. Oh, brother. Chopsticks for stir sticks. Oh, there it is. Some Dremel bits. The little carving bit, carving ball. That goes there. This super cut. Is that diamond? We know what that's going to work for. We'll see in just a minute here. Wood handles. This right here, folks, is pretty unbelievable right here. I have to be careful. This will be a fundraiser for TazMan-Palooza right here. Everybody's going to get to see this, what Johnny Arnette has done. This is unbelievable. See this box? Johnny Arnette built this box from boards, obviously. Look at how beautiful that wood is. The wood was this color. The wood was this color. And he put walnut, dark walnut, Watco on it and turned it this color. You know what those are going to look like in an axe? Oh yeah. Johnny, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my. Johnny Arnette. My camera is not going to do this justice. Look at this, everybody. Look at that. You see the shine in that? This is a fundraiser right here. Custom made knife by Johnny Arnette. John Arnette's Ways. If you're new to the channel, go check out Johnny Arnette. John Arnette's Ways. Go check him out. He builds beautiful, beautiful knives. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the shine in that. Absolutely gorgeous, Johnny Arnette. Susan, his wife, put that purple, built a purple bed for it in there. Look at that, 100% custom. Thank you so much, Johnny Arnette. Oh my gosh, buddy. That is absolutely gorgeous. That wood is crazy, buddy. Yeah, it'll be a fundraiser, so be prepared. Keep your eyes and ears out, ready for that one. And we have something on the go that I will reveal on a later date. I want to talk to Johnny before I show it. Let's get in this thing. If I can. There's a lot in this box, but like I said in the beginning of this video, it's 36 pounds. It's got to be 3 pounds of fireballs in there. Johnny don't mess around, man, when he's taping stuff up, that's for sure. Johnny, you got the... Oh, Johnny Arnette. Oh, my. Look at that. Wow. No freaking way, buddy. You are unbelievable, Johnny Arnette. Unbelievable. Look at that. Taz finally has a Tazzy. And it came from Johnny Arnette. That there will be a Dandenong. Dandenong Tazzy. Wow, buddy. Whew. That's a lot, brother. That's a lot. That is going to be a wicked splitter. Oh my gosh. How's that going to look? That's just going to look amazing on a 30C. That is a dandy. That's gorgeous, Johnny. I don't even know what to say, brother. Oh, I don't even know what to say. Nice edge on it, Johnny. Oh, buddy. That stone's going to come in handy for this beauty. Look at that. I don't even have a handle out here. But it's going to be gnarly, Johnny. Oh, my gosh. A dandy-nong. You got to be kidding me. Oh, gosh. What a... Oh, there's the T-handle for that. Look at all these fireballs. Oh, Johnny Arnette, I don't even know what to say, buddy. I don't even know what to say. More of those rubber pieces. Johnny. Gosh, I appreciate you, brother. I do. I appreciate everybody out there. This community is just getting stronger and stronger and stronger. I love it. I can't believe it, Johnny. £4. £4.5. That is a dandy. Oh my gosh. Well, now we got an axe to haft. We've got an axe to haft. Wow. Thank you, Johnny. This box is unbelievable. This helps out so much. So much. We're gonna get things moving and shaking. I'm pretty sure. Awesome. Thank you a ton, Johnny. Thanks to this whole community for supporting and helping everybody, helping each other out. It's awesome. It's really unbelievable. And I'm so honored and blessed to be part of it. Thanks, everybody. I love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling with a dandy-nong. Gonna have to make up a dandy-nong song. Be kind.